In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan a 12-week year in Notion. We'll start fresh by creating a new page in Notion, setting it to full width so you have maximum room to work, and giving it a clear title, 12-week year. That wide canvas makes dashboards, databases, and linked views easier to see at a glance, which is exactly what you want for a fast-moving 90-day plan. Next, define your 12-week goals at the top of the page. Add a call-out block for your vision. Keep this short and memorable. Describe the outcomes you want by the end of the 90 days and why they matter. Right beneath that, add a database dedicated to your goals. Create 3 to 4 specific, measurable goals for the period. Make them clear enough that you'll know without guessing whether you hit them. Think of this database as your North Star, the anchor that guides everything else on the page. Now create a task database inline on the same page. This is where execution lives. Add a relation property in the task database that links each task to one of your 12-week goals. That connection is powerful. Every task you add will roll up under a goal, keeping your day-to-day work aligned with the outcomes you set. Break your goals into concrete, actionable tasks that can realistically be completed within a week. Set up your weekly reviews with a simple database that lists weeks 1 through 12, plus a week 13 for review. Each week, rate your performance on a scale of 1 to 5. The number is less about judgment and more about feedback: what worked, what didn't, and what to adjust. Use the week 13 entry to reflect on the full cycle and capture lessons you'll carry forward. To track progress, add checkboxes to your tasks and use formulas to generate a progress bar. As you mark tasks done, the bar will update, giving you a quick visual cue of momentum. This makes it easy to spot when you are ahead, behind, or stuck. For weekly execution, create a focused, filtered view on your dashboard that shows only the tasks for the current week. This streamlined view removes distractions and helps you commit to what matters right now. Review it daily. Check off completed items and update your weekly score at the end of the week to close the loop. That's your 12-week year in Notion: a clear vision, aligned goals, connected tasks, weekly reviews, and live progress tracking all in one place. Thanks for watching.